Hello, and welcome to Gator Tutoring. I'm Joel, and I'm going to be showing you around the website. Let's start by adding our classes. Let's say you're in Business Statistics and Business Finance. Click Add Classes, and the website will take you to a calendar page with all of the important events for your class, such as quizzes and exams. In order to see your content, you need to create an account. Pick a username that you'll remember, and a valid email address. Then pick a password and click Create New Account. Now you can see some of your content. Let's look at an exam review. An exam review consists of video explanations for old test questions and concepts. You can navigate around the exam review with this menu here. Now let's look at the problem.
Suppose a firm with marginal costs of $1 serves one type of consumer with inverse demand given by price equals 9 minus 2Q. It's for a single consumer. If the firm charges the profit maximizing two-part price, what is the fixed fee? Well, let's graph this to help us understand what we're trying to solve for. We can graph our inverse demand, P equals 9 minus 2Q, as a downward sloping straight line. We can graph marginal cost as a horizontal line because it's constant at $1. Notice that our marginal cost is our per unit fee. So on a test, if he gives us this information and he asks for our per unit fee in two-part pricing, know that it's the marginal cost. Now the fixed fee is this yellow triangle. And the reason we charge a fixed fee is to capture all the consumer surplus. So this is just one way of capturing all the consumer surplus, two-part pricing. Now, how do we solve for that yellow triangle? Well, we need these 2 points. We already have one point at a price of $1, which is our marginal cost. We need these 2 red points to solve for the area of that triangle. Let's take this first intersection, which is the inverse demand intersecting the y-axis. That happens at a quantity of 0. So we can plug in 0 for our Q and solve for price to be equal to 9. That's one of our points. Let's look at this second point. This second point happens where the line P equals 1, which is our marginal cost, which is a straight line intersecting at $1, and P equals 9 minus 2Q, which is our inverse demand. That point happens where they cross, so we can set them equal to solve. Doing this, and doing some algebra, we divide through by -2, and we find that our Q star, in this case, is 4 units.
That was a great explanation. If you have any questions, you can ask them in this comment form below. Type in your question and click Save. You're sure to get a quick response. In order to see any of this content, you need to purchase it. So you need to click Buy Content. And here's our content page. Let's say you want to buy everything that you could possibly need for ECP 3703. That would be included in the Everything package. This package contains all the exam reviews and all the problem sets. It's a great deal. Click Add to Cart. Click Checkout. And you can enter all of your billing information and credit card information on this page. We use Authorize.net, so you can be sure that your information is secure. When you're ready, click Review Order, and you'll instantly be granted access to all of the content with which you purchased. You can see that content by clicking Home and going to your calendar page. So say I just bought the ECP 3703 package. I need to add this class to my classes. So you click on ECP 3703 Managerial Economics and click Add Classes. This class will now show up on your calendar and in your My Content block. Here's the exam number 1 review. It's very extensive. There's plenty of videos, all of Luke's great explanations. You're sure to do well in this test if you use this review. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your classes.